this is Anne from Achieve.
This is Travis from Achieve.
Wax spraying and final water cleaning before delivery.
It is fully remanufactured and it is 100% inspected, okay? You can rest assured our high quality excavators. You can see it's like a new performance right now.
Genuine SANY parts are professional tested. Worldwide shipping is available. Warranty is also included in our factory.
Achieve construction machinery export.
Honest and win-win. Global cooperation. Welcome!